How to set up a work profile on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your settings application from your device, and at this page, scroll below until you see Google by Google Services. Tap on Google, then here tap on All Services tab. At this page, scroll below and tap on Setup and Restore. Here you will see Set up your work profile option. Tap onto it. Then tap on Next. And once you're done, you will be required to enter the scanned QR code provided by your IT admin. If you don't have a photo, you can also tap on Enter Code manually and enter your code manually at this box. Once done, simply tap on to Next, and that way you will be able to set up your work profile on Android. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.